departments as a province.
And now, let's talk about key departments, those glaring departments like your health and your education. I see you have allocated a lot of money for both departments. Can you talk to us about it?
Yes, we made sure that the social sector, which is education and health, takes the major portion of the budget. Education at 48.2% and health at 27%, precisely because we are trying to make sure that we protect them from this declining resources that we have as a province. And therefore, we made sure that they should be in a better position to continue to provide those essential services that they've been providing. But you can also see that in health, we have also made sure that previously they said they are running short of compensation of doctors. They can hire new doctors, for instance, and we have been able to allocate such resources so that they are able to continue to hire more doctors for our hospitals. But also there are tools of trade like your ambulances and so on to make sure that they can continue to increase them. In a way, we are protecting them from this declining revenue that we have.
And 70 million allocated to try and improve matric results. And some political parties are saying, but there is no, you didn't say anything about incentives for teachers.
Well, it's true that we have said it's for improvement of matric results, but we are already compensating teachers. And we believe that the matric results improvement is also an incentive to those that are actually professionals in that sector to make sure that it's not only financial, it's that satisfaction that you get. It's also an incentive for them. But we make sure that part of it is to make sure that their conditions of employment, wherever they are employed, we are able to make sure that they are able to get norms and standards. In areas where they need support, we make sure that they actually get support. Because even the improvement that we are seeing now, you can remember that previously, not so long, we were languishing at the bottom of the provinces. But now we have actually improved. That was not an accident. It was a conscious effort that has been taken by the province to make sure that we are able to allocate resources for them to try and improve the results. And we have seen that it's working. Hence, we continue to give more so that they can help not only at matric level. We've got other programs that are also helping at the lower levels. But we felt that the matric level was where, at last, the outcome of what we have been doing below matric have been ultimately, revealing. Now we said, let's focus at the matric results as well. Let's go and have special programs in those regions or districts where we have been doing badly, so that if we improve them, it will improve the entire province. And we have seen exactly that as an outcome, and we are very happy with that. Hence, we continue to make sure that we give them more support. It was also an agreement between provincial government and educators, organized labor, to make sure that we all put our efforts together to make sure that we can improve the situation. And yes, they have set their conditions, and we've made sure that we are also able to make sure that we meet them halfway and make sure that we can both work towards the best of the province.
Okay, briefly, MEC, the fact that the state of our roads are bad, it's bad, cannot be gainsaid. How much have you allocated towards trying to improve road infrastructure?
We have allocated more money to public works, roads and transport. I think it's one of those departments that have seen an increase in terms of their percentage. But the department will decide what is going into new projects and what is going into maintenance of those roads. Indeed, we have seen some of the roads, but because of the rains, but we have seen that the department is hard at work to make sure that they are able to continuously make sure that they service but also maintain those roads where we had a lot of potholes and so on. So we are aware. That's why we have seen that in terms of the budget adjustment, before we gave the actual budget for this MTEF, we have started with adjustment budget because we were actually making sure that we are able to address some of the challenges that the department was facing, particularly in terms of dealing with maintenance of roads. So we had given them additional amounts that we had been able to find within the department to make sure that they can transfer to the road agency Limpopo, which is the implementing agent in terms of road construction, but also at times maintenance.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, MEC for Treasury in the province, talking about the budget that he has just tabled here today. Also, one of the issues that he touched on was the money that has been allocated to try and resuscitate state-owned reserves and resorts. That has been an elephant in the room and has been sticking out like a sore thumb over the years. It's back to you.